Sorry. I'll stay far back though. Actually, I'm probably better back, to be honest. Yeah, I'm running back to the tent.
Hit him 3 times.
There you go. Keep doing that. They'll run out of helmets and first aids. Gas is pushing past my body now from the river, so.
I don't know if you know this, but I like to move my body. We're just switching sides.
Yeah, the gas is pushing past the tower thing.
Hopefully you have a lot of ammo, because
Only 100.
I'm in trouble, bro.
Let's just let
I
the
have
gas
smoke
do its thing.
grenades.
Yeah,
I
throw
have
smoke
smoke
and
grenades.
let's run backwards. Let's get out of this rock. This is terrible.
You wanna go to those trees to the left?
Let's go over the hill to the tent behind us. I'll give you.
Good.
I just have a
I
really
feel-
bad spot for me. I can't. I'm afraid I'm gonna shoot you back the head.
All right, you take right, then I'll take left. Like, just keep it that way.
Okay.
I won't cross you. You don't cross me.
Gotcha.
Just stay smart.
Yep.
They're just sitting there healing. You know they are, dude. They're such little tools.
Yeah.
Just wear them out, man.
Are you
Work
good on first
attrition.
aids? I have 17.
I have 4. I'm good. Actually, hook me up with
What do you need? Body
hook me up
armor.
with 2. I'm gonna make 2 pro flags. Speaking.
Headshot. Just kidding.
Just remember you got more gear, so if they start beating you, just people up.
Yeah. Oh,
You
he's
have
popping.
memory stuff now.
You got
I
him?
got helmet. I hit helmet. I got
Oh, you
headshot.
got him. Alright. There's only one left. Is he back there, you think?
Yeah, he's got me back.
Split them up.
Say, what do you think
Get
the
on either
chances?
side.
I'll
Flank
run
'em.
out. I'm gonna pull him out, okay?
Take your time and
Pull 'em out?
flank.
I'm gonna pull him out. This is gonna
Alright,
be
let's run the
team.
same way.
Alright, going right. Go. He's out. He's out. Hit him once. Boom, boy.
Hey, you guys.
5. We had a lot of kills.
Back-to-back wins, though.
That's awesome. Had
How
4.
many kills left?
I had 5. I don't know who got that last kill.
I had 4.
I wanna see the last one, though.
That last guy in the
Is there a way
river
to tell?
started